Hello everyone. It is 31st of May and we are here to see the result of my buy call on Coal India Limited that I gave on 29th of May. My buying level was 279, target was 291 and stop loss was 276.6 level. Well, the target is hit here in just 15 minutes of next day's opening. It was really a very sharp up move from approximately 278 to 292.5 level. Okay, let's understand the market psychology of that half an hour. This is the hourly chart of Coal India Limited, and on hourly chart the trend is uptrend. The stock is moving in these two levels. On 5-minute chart, the stock was moving towards its trend line, that is the support line for this channel. We will analyze only the last half an hour chart of 29th of May, so we will zoom in the chart. See, this was the candle just before the announcement of quarterly results of the stock, and prices fall up to the support level in expectations of bad results. But suddenly prices recovered from the low level with a huge volume. It means there was smart money in the market. That was a bullish sign for the move. But in spite of this huge volume, prices were unable to break its resistance level of 287 because there was a profit booking by the retail investors after the announcement of quarterly results of this stock, and stock gave a closing at 282 level. But I was bullish for the prices because of two reasons. The first was heavy volume, and the second was that on hourly chart prices are in uptrend. So I was expecting a gap down opening because of profit booking by the retail investors, but near support level it would be best trade to buy the stock for the target of upper resistance level of the channel. The stop loss was 276.6 level because it was the day's low, as well as it was the 50% Fibonacci level on daily chart. Market opened gap down on 30th May, and after a sharp up move on 30th May, the prices traded in a range but gave a closing above 78.6 level of Fibonacci tool. This is the 78% level on daily chart, and prices gave a closing above this level. This was also a bullish signal. And today on 31st of May, the stock gave a very sharp up move in just 5 minutes of opening up to 303 level. Now, the next resistance level for the prices is 305 and 318 level. This 318 level is the major resistance level for the prices on daily chart. So, I'm not expecting a rise above this level, and now the support level for the prices is 287 level. See you in the next live analysis. Thanks for watching the lecture.